Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find Watch Later playlist on YouTube. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your YouTube application and then you need to make sure you are logged into your account. So after that you can go to the home page, find some video you want, and then if you want to add this video to Watch Later playlist, you need to scroll to the left this list of options and find Save button. Here it is. Then click on that one button. Then you will see this interface, Save video to, and then you need to choose Watch Later playlist. And then at the bottom of your screen, click on the Done button. After that, if you want to find this playlist, you need to close this window. Then close this video. After that, at the bottom right, click on U button, here it is, then scroll down, and then under History, you will see Playlist section, and then you need to click on View All. After that, you will see all your playlists, and then the first one playlist called Watch Later, you need to click on that one playlist, and after that, you will see all your saved videos in this playlist. So, and that's all, and that's how to find Watch Later playlist on YouTube. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.